Is it a Camry or a Corolla?
Corolla.
Corolla.
99 Toyota Corolla.
99 Toyota Corolla. There's the front end. Cut at the windshield. Bloop. Still has the OBD2 ports, everything. Everything's there. Look, it still has a dash. Oh, that's 231,000 on it.
Yeah.
The fuel gauge works.
Yeah, everything works.
Yeah, fuel tank's up top here.
That's out of a 400 Jag snowmobile.
That's out of a 400 Jag snowmobile.
Yeah,
Check it out.
This is a crash fire off of a Goldwing motorcycle. Bounced up like that, so with the brake pegs up here, I turned it into a rack.
What'd you do with the rack? Okay, here it is.
Welded off right here.
There it is.
It's got rear wheel steer once I hook that up.
Yep.
Get in, I'll take you up the road.
Go for a rip. There. Got the stereo in her.
Power brakes.
Power brakes, look at that. Brake booster in there.
That's all out of the Toyota.
All Toyota. All we need up front is a speedometer.
Yeah, I had it in the back, but
We'll have to do GPS.
yeah.
Oh, that hot off. Fun toy to have in the woods.
I actually got my worst good in the woods. I think the mirrors will clear the trees and get out through a little wooden patch.
It's nice having a half windshield. I can see above it.
Yeah.
Whipper.
Shifter's in backwards.
Oh,
But it's still the original Toyota shifter.
Right back in the garage. That's awesome. Thanks, Ricky.
No problem.
So she's definitely a ripper.
Yeah.
Works good, man. Stay tuned for a real mud run.
Yeah.